guess this is it. I guess this is it. Okay, we got the DMCA free fucking Christmas music. We got my code, we got chat's code. Let's see how the fuck this goes, I guess. So I need to get the foil. I need the foil. Do I just copy it? Okay. Man, I need some water. I need some fucking water. Stat. I'm dry as hell. I have your bike hostage? Oh shit. You do have my bike hostage. Bro, I completely forgot. I just left that bike there. That's insane. I should go get my bike. No, I don't have that much money. I guess you can keep it. You can keep it. It's a nice bike too. Like, you know, it's got like the little basket on it. It's got the bell. It has like the little rudder. What do you call them? They're like fenders. They're like fenders. So you don't get splashed. It's a great bike. I think I got it for like 20 bucks. What am I doing? I'm doing a lot of things. Well, I'm doing Advent of Code. Let me see if I can make it a little bigger. Shit. It's this window right here. It's a little problem. Basically, I have, if you see in the top left, I have all these numbers. All these numbers represent like, okay, so there's 4,600 of them. Vibe coding? What's the point? The point is to make shit that's fun. That's the point. And to make it fast. So I have all these numbers and I'm not vibe coding tonight. Like, there's no point in doing Advent of Code and vibe coding Advent of Code. There's no point in that. Like, I'm not doing that. That's stupid. Imagine vibe coding a coding challenge. Hilarious. Yeah, it's a Christmas coding challenge, and basically this is like a lock or on a safe, and I need to find out how many times it stops on 0. So we like turn left 939 times, turn right 605 times, turn left 13 times, turn left 87 times. And how many times does it stop on 0? That's like the password to get in. There's like a whole story. Yeah, I did it last year, and I was like, man, like just this time of year, I just like, I don't know, I guess I get lonely. So I just like want to start streaming. And then I start streaming, and then I had this great idea of chat. Chat can like do it too. Twitch plays Advent of Code. You guys know Twitch plays? It's Twitch plays, like, there's chat commands, so you can type in the code buffer. You don't know Twitch plays? Twitch plays Pokemon? Twitch plays Pokemon? Just look it up. Just look it up. Basically, they did this thing where it was like, for like Pokemon Fire Red, they made it so that the chat could like, yeah, I remember was that in the ancient days? I remember, Was that the ancient days of Twitch? Is that why nobody knows about it? But yeah, it's like there were chat commands to move like up, down, left, right, you know, AB, start, LR, whatever buttons, and then they tried to beat the game using chat. And there are people like helping, there are people that know how to beat the game, there are people that don't know how to beat the game, they're just playing. So then I was just like, why don't we do that, but it's coding? So you have commands to like type characters. That was like 10 years ago? Fuck, man, I'm getting old. Man, I'm getting old, dude. Yeah, but I figured let's do Twitch plays, but let's do Twitch plays coding challenges. Oh shit. But yeah. Yeah, I need people to pull up for this one, because I feel like Twitch plays leak code or Twitch plays advent to code only works. Oh shit, yeah, that's a good point. What language? Chat's code, what language? Fuck. 6502 assembly? No. I'm thinking like JavaScript, dude. Or maybe Python. You don't need to know how to code, dude. That's the fun part, is you can just come to fuck with people. If people are trying to solve this problem, you can just be like, oh, I'm just gonna type the character C over and over again. And then it's like monkeys at a typewriter, right? So it's like, can chat like make something happen? Also, thanks for dropping in, man. I appreciate that you are reminding me about the bike. I mean, do you want it? You'd have it if you want a bike. If not, like, I'll come get it like this week. The Commodore 64 is not gonna handle it. Hell yeah. 6502 assembly. I mean, I've heard of assembly, but not specifically 6502 assembly. Is that like... Let's see. Oh, it's for this. It's the specific processor for the 6502 processor. Yeah. I remember hearing about this actually. I remember hearing about this. You sure you don't want it? I mean, like, do you want it? Like, it cost me like $20 and I actually have another bike here. Only if you don't. Okay, well let me like ask. Yeah, it is a nice bike. Let me ask I guess I mean, Merry Christmas, I guess. You can just have it, dude. I mean, I left it there. I'll sleep on it, I guess, but like like it's been there how long? I used to use it to get to work when I worked at the Sport Check for a hot second. That's it. I can't believe you pulled up. Did you see the go live notification? You were like, damn, like please come to this one. I need this. Yeah, it's long enough for it to be like genuinely covered in dust. I mean, it is in the laundry room, so it's like that room's kind of dusty. But like, dude. Yeah, I mean, I gotta start biking, but I have a bike here that I could use. And I got that one for like 20-40 bucks. I gotta get more water. Yeah, the lady who sold me that bike was really nice. It was on some like sketch as fuck back road though. But like, it was like the road was sketchy, but the houses there were super nice. 2040 is a lot of bucks. Yeah, that is a lot of bucks. 2040. Well, I mean, did you see how much he's charging me to get it back? See how much he's charging me to get it back? 10 mil. Alright, go eat, go eat. All the roads here are sketchy. Here? Here? Where's here? PEI. PEI roads are sketchy as fuck. Well, only some of them. Most of them. A lot of them. I hear New Brunswick is worse, though. How's the volumes? Everything's sounding alright. Alright. I think it's time. It's time to start. I don't know the answer to this question. I'm not gonna vibe code it. Hopefully people will show up and will type in chat and we'll add add to the code buffer. If not, hey, day one of the experiment. You know what? Let's do a little intro. Let's do a little intro. Let me think. Okay, this is gonna be for the clip. So I'm doing an experiment. Wait, no. Y'all, yeah, because I remember it's like, y'all remember. No, I'm bad at like, I can't like force myself to do it. It has to come out naturally. I can't be scripted. I sound like a doofus when I have a script, actually. I don't know JavaScript, but I wrote a thing to interact with a WebAssembly thing I built, and it works. I have no idea if it's right. JavaScript is kind of scuffed. I'm not gonna lie to you. It's kind of scuffed. And then WebAssembly, you love just like torturing yourself, don't you? Right, I have to pick a language. I mean, I guess. Fuck. Maybe. Well, I'm gonna do it in JavaScript. Maybe I'll just leave it up for for whoever types first to decide. They can decide the language. First come, first serve. I'm thinking like Python. Python is super accessible. I don't know. Let's see, actually. Where did my text go? Oh, there it is. Chat's code. In Python. Oh, should I put a version? What version of Python should we use? Python 3? 3.2? Python versions? Python 3, yeah. That's what I thought. Python 3. Imagine if we did it in Python 2 just to fuck with you. Oh shit. For this little demo I made. Ooh, right. Yo, yeah! Yeah, I remember you make the cool, did you make that cool like flying demo? Is that what this is? The skill for this is only 16 code and sprite data. Dang! You know, people don't appreciate that kind of stuff nowadays because we have like storage and like memory and like processing power out the wazoo, so it doesn't really matter to like make things efficient or make things run well. But that's like the fun part of computer science, is like making things as efficient as possible, making things run on things that is like, oh, you know, This thing wouldn't run on this thing, but I'm gonna make it run on it. Make templates to generate C code. Oh, you know what I could... This demo could run on a 30-year-old PC. Let's see if it runs on, Oh! Oh, it's arrows? Oh, it's mouse? Oh, shit. Oh, wait. It's arrows in space. Enter. Click. Wait. Does anything happen? It doesn't kill me. What's this made in? This is made in, you said, oh, in Z. Written in C. Hell yeah. I love me some pointers and shit, dude. It's not too hard once you like wrap your head around what the fuck a pointer is. But it, like, it's the same as like recursion. It's like it's hard to like get your. It's like speaking a different language. Like I remember I had this thing happen where in middle school there was like the advanced French kids, and then there was like the kids who took like I don't know, like general French, because Canada's bilingual, right? So basically yeah, pointers are not hard, but people are afraid of them because they're told that they're hard. Yeah, I remember I made this, like, I had to make like a chess game, a chess game. Or was it checkers? It's chess or checkers or something in C. It was like, you had to do some funky pointer stuff in that. That was like the first thing I did to like learn pointers. And it was just like, just make sure you don't go like out of bounds and stuff. I don't know. That was a while ago though. It was a long time ago actually. I would have been like, man, I'm washed. That was so long ago. I'm unk. Unk as fuck. Right, but my story. I think like thinking with pointers is like you just gotta get in that mindset where you understand what it is. Like with recursion, like you just think in a recursive mindset when you're doing recursion. You think like, okay, what's my base case? What's my recursive? Ow! Why does my foot hurt so much? What's my recursive case? Foot hurts for some reason. I'm almost done with the engine for games like this. It's like the core of Godot, nodes and messages in a hierarchy. Ooh, that's sick. I haven't touched Godot in a hot second. Where does my foot hurt? Why does it hurt? Probably start on this problem. Alright, so intro. I wrote a custom parser for a JSON-like format. Bet. I don't think I've ever made a game engine, but that probably is something I should do at some point. I've worked in a lot of different game engines, but never made my own. Just never been interested. Yeah, just never been interested. Alright, time. Okay, do the intro. The intro. Okay. So here we are, day 1 of the experiment. Chat is the monkeys. Chat's code is the typewriter. And we're trying to see if monkeys at a typewriter can do coding problems. Are the monkeys ready? Are the monkeys ready? Okay, I think that's a good intro. Good enough, anyway. Good enough, anyway. Okay, time to, Okay, I think... What's the plan? What's the plan for today? The plan for today is to... hopefully get some people doing Twitch plays Advent of Code in Python 3. I'm actually gonna switch to Python 3, actually. Probably switch to using Python. Bam! Now we're using Python. Easy as hell. You just change the file name, no problem. Python. Okay, do I need any... what do I need? Man, I haven't touched Python since first year university. Well, actually, no, that's not true. I, like, vaguely... oh, wait, no. I made, like... okay, no, actually. Actually, yeah, I don't touch Python often, but I do some scripting with Python every now and then. It's never, like... it's never, like, crazy stuff. It's always pretty simple stuff. Oh, shit. Never mind. Yeah, I used a bunch of Python to do machine learning stuff. Man, I'm, like, dumb. I'm dumb. My memory's shot, dude. Alright. Right now, I need to generate the code to be able to set attributes on objects by name. I just fumbled my way through this Python program, converted a 1,000 line C program to 100 lines plus some templates. Ooh. That's interesting. That's very interesting. I don't even know how that works. Like... I don't understand the purpose. Like, to me, it's like, why not make it like 100 lines and some templates in the first place? Right? But you're building like a whole thing to... does it work like on any program? On any C program? Converted to 100 lines of Python or 100 lines of C in templates? Templates are C, right? Man, I'm washed. Man. Python. Okay, so how do I do comments in this? I think so. So we got a lock. Oh wait. Mako templates. Oh shit. Oh right. I thought that was a typo, but I remember Mako templates now. You're mixing text and code to produce a formatted output. Yes. Wait a minute. Did I work with these before? Google them. Mako template. Generate C code. For example, it looks at all my C types, finds the node types, like go.node, 2D, or sprite, and outputs code that would be repetitive and tedious to write directly in C. pretty slick. That's pretty slick. That's pretty slick. If I don't say so. Damn. Man, I wish I wasn't like as high as I am right now. I'm not gonna lie. I'm not gonna lie. I'm kind of out of it. Okay, let me jump into this problem. So, can I use some type of like link, like doubly linked list, and then I just like have like a function on like the 0 node, and then that'd be like the length of the list. For every single turn. So imagine I do R900. It has to go through the entire thing. It can't just get to 900. Yeah. Is this question even hard? I don't think this question is even hard. I feel like keeping doing like a doubly linked list is just like overkill here. So that's how many times we stop on 0. Okay, wait, what did you say? You just need to keep the counter. You don't need any list. You just need to keep the position of the dial. That's it. Oh shit. Wait. Wait a minute. Let me read the question again. How many? 0 to 99? Okay. Man, I'm washed. Read the lines one at a time. If you stop on 0, increment the counter. Okay. Okay. Yeah, that's what I was saying, handling wrapping around. That's pretty much... That's why I was like doubly linked list, you know, because it wraps, but then I'd need like 100 nodes. I mean, it would get me the answer for sure. It's just like, that's dumb. Just the mod operator, yeah. So the dial starts by pointing at 50, or if position less than 0, position plus equals 100. Okay. So I have a dial. So I have a number. If I go L68, what do I want to do? I want to basically subtract 68, but do like some kind of like floor subtraction kind of thing. Man, I'm dumb as fuck, bro. Let me read this shit again. I'm gonna let intuition carry me. Man, I bet even with like the restriction of having to type exclamation K in a single character at a time, you could finish this before me. I'm not gonna lie to you. You don't know how to type in the thing? You go K for like character. You go P. And then you do it again. Oh. And then we can like kind of race. I don't know, man. Character famously starts with a K. I know. But also like keyboard. Yeah, fuck. I gotta hurry up. You're actually gonna finish before me. This is cooked. Okay, now I gotta lock in. Okay. I'm gonna go with my stupid ass idea. So I have like Python. Man, I don't know fucking Python. I don't know Python, bro. So we start at 50, right? Can I do it in Java? No. I'm not gonna do it in Java. You start me out. Position 50 is equal to 50. Okay. Why am I washed? Next, read the input line by line. And then if we go below 0, I just take 99 minus that number. Or, yeah, 99 plus that number actually, because it's a negative number. And then that'll get me where I am on the other side. And then if I go over 99, I just do 0 plus that number. Wait. No. 0. Yeah, I'm picking up what you're throwing down, I think. Woo, we got our first contribution to fucking chat's code. Thank you, Captain Horatio Magellan Crunch. You're actually a fucking G. I love you. I quit vaping. I really want to vape. Then you crunch the numbers, baby. Let's go! And you realize And you realize. And you realize. What do we realize? You know what? I'm gonna do my stupid ass double link list thing. Can I do that? What's up? You can't do Christmas this year. Why not? Who can't do? Oh, are you just being funny? What's up? What's up? Not too much. I hear the word crunch. And then you Captain Crunch the numbers. Yeah, so basically we got chat's code, we got the problem, and we got my code. And yeah. There's commands. And yeah. We're like racing almost. Except I think Captain Horatio Magellan Crunch has already finished the problem in his head. And he's trying to point me in the right direction. But you know what? I'm being difficult. I don't wanna do it his way. I wanna do it my way. I wanna do it a really complicated way. Basically, I have this lock, this like safe, and I have a combination of like left and right turns. And every time it lands on 0, I have to count up +1. Isn't there some like property of a list in Python that it just like wraps around by itself? Isn't that a thing? Because can I do a list of like 0 to 99 and then like can I do like our safe is like a list of 0 through 99? This is stupid. That's so stupid. I'm not doing that. I'm not doing that. That's so stupid. You don't need a list. The position is just a number. But I want to do it with a list. I want to simulate the lock. I just don't know Python, honestly. Okay, so then like, is it FS? I don't know Python. We're going back to Java. JavaScript. Okay. Is this how it works in Python? Or in function answer, which takes in it takes in input, and the input is just like the file system dot can I have to like import this? Man, I'm washed, dude. File system. Node.js. I do have. Oh yes, because I'm on. Yes. Is it like this? I think so. Like this? So I want to take all of the moves and put them in a list, though. It's gonna be self-contained. Just gonna read it all in. I guess I could just read it line by line, but bruh. Read file. How do I read a file line by line? fs.read file. Documentation. Okay, what's this Stack Overflow saying? Line reader required read line. What the fuck is this? Read stream. What am I looking for again? Create read stream. Create read stream. Then I get like a buffer. Using Node.js streams. Yes, that's what I'm trying to do. Man, I can't remember the last time I worked with a stream. When the monsters have done this. So create rights. No, create read stream. So then I have to like push stuff to the stream. What is read line? There's a stable read line core module. Okay. Create interface. CRLF. Delay. Infinity. What the fuck is that? Okay. Go. Go, go. Okay, so we do for away const line of URL. And then this should log each line. Now how can I run this? I think I got two less day one. LS node answer / answer. Why is it not running? Oh, cause wait. should the... Oh, wait. How do I, does it run the main? Does it run the main function? I never run anything like this. Read. Now. Does this also need to be? Ah, yes, yes, yes. We need to call in. Do. Do. Okay. Yeah, we outputted all of them. We're reading it line by line. Let's go. Let's go. I need to call, like... So then for each line... We're gonna be stuck on day one for a while. I need to, like, get my algorithm figured out. I gotta do something like... something like that. Something like that. guys can barely see that probably, huh? Okay, for each line. This song's kind of sad. Let's do it like this. Oh, duh. Now we coding. Can you G-code me a calculator? No. No, I'm not gonna do that. Wait, could I? Yes. Will I? No. You just want a calculator? What do you want your calculator to do, boy? What do you want your calculator to do? Like a normal calculator? I can get you one much faster off of like the Google Play Store. Lottery numbers? Calculate lottery numbers? What the f- You believe so, wait. So you want me to make some kind of machine learning algorithm that can predict lottery numbers is what you're asking for. And you'll give me half the money if I make the whole thing for you. Oh shit, that's huge actually. Yeah. Okay, I'll get on that. That's tomorrow's stream. Or after we finish Advent of Code, we're gonna work on predicting the lottery. Yep. It's a good idea. W Colder. W Colder. Also, thanks for lurking, Colder. I really appreciate it, man. For sure. For sure. Did I just finish this? No, I need to write the parse move function. How do I keep spelling function? My gosh. Okay, there we go. What does this need to do? It needs to take the string and it needs to like... Can I do like, Can I like specified separators? Just like L or R. Can I do that? No. You never know. JavaScript will do weird things for you sometimes. Yeah, it's not splitting by anything here. Ah! Oh my gosh. That scared the shit out of me. Fuck. Bruh, where's the news, bruh? Let me. Oh my gosh. That's a follower notification. I gotta see who it is so I can thank them. I gotta see who it is. There is an activity somewhere. I know that. Activity. Louis from the 4th. Did you follow? Did you follow Louis? I gotta find a better way to catch that. Was it? Yeah. Well, thank you. I appreciate it. I'll give you a little bit about me. I'm a very washed programmer. I've been programming since I was like 11 or 12. And then I did like a computer science degree, and then I dropped out, and then I did a web development diploma. And then I went back to university, and then I was in like 4th year, and I was just doing all these classes that were literally just projects to quote get me ready for the workforce, and I just didn't want to do that. So I dropped out, opened my own web development business where I make just simple websites for small local businesses, and I stream sometimes. Yeah, like really the primary reason I dropped out was just so many people were just vibe coding their way through uni, and I was like, well, I'm not gonna waste a bunch of money if the degree isn't gonna be worth anything, you know? Like I'm just gonna vibe code myself. But like I do like I'm not vibe coding right now. I'm doing like these coding challenges to basically try to be not as washed. Trying to strengthen up my coding muscles again because I've been vibe coding for too long. HTML and CSS? Yes. Yes. I've been in the mines grinding away at the CSS and HTML. My favorite stack is probably Next.js, React, Node, Tailwind, TypeScript, that kind of shit. Still new, trying to learn. You're doing uni programming right now? Are you doing computer science, or are you doing like programming, or are you doing like where are you from? What's the deal? I know some Python and HTML and CSS. Yes. Yeah, dude. Yeah, dude. Just wait till you get to like combinatorics. Sweden. Ooh. Man, that's probably a good education then. Fuck. Sweden. Python, I think the first language I learned was Java. And free? Free. That's crazy. Yeah, I'm just in like I didn't want to pay for school anymore because I'm like I already got like most of the information I needed. Like my transcript, I took like operating systems, software design, architecture, fucking combinatorics, programming languages. Like I know like a ton of programming languages. Like I took data structures and algorithms, databases, calculus, linear algebra, game design, machine learning, data science. So like I got all the learning courses, but it was just like fuck the project courses. Fuck the project courses. Like if I'm gonna do projects, I'm just gonna do my own projects with a bunch of people that don't suck. Like we had to pick our own groups for everything because they just didn't want to listen to people bitch. And I'm like, you don't get to pick who you work with. So I'm gonna pick to just fuck off and work by myself. But luckily, I have an amazing wife that supports me and is like letting me do this. Yeah, you just gotta like. I'd say there's something to do, but the projects just suck. Like some people are gonna hand you their section of the code, and it's gonna be like one file that's 2,500 lines long of just the most scuffed shit that you've ever seen in your entire life, and you're gonna just say, "Well, I guess it's good." Does it work? You run it, it works, and you go, I guess it's good. And then, yeah, and then you get a 60. Well, it depends if the prof was nice or not. Sometimes they'd be like, "Oh, this guy." It's a lot of AI. Yeah, like it was weird. Some classes like really encourage using it and getting used to using it, and a lot of classes were like the ones that made sense. Like if you're doing um like the low level stuff, like you're really learning like the basics. Don't like that was like don't use AI. But then it was like, oh, we're designing databases. It's like, okay, like you can use a little bit of AI. Yeah, yeah. The basics you can't because you'll just fuck yourself over like really bad. Like, oh my gosh, I have this story. So I'm going into video game programming one, and it's like intro stuff. It's like vectors. It's like um how like light is reflected off like different faces, like normals, a bunch of like rendering pipeline stuff. Um, JavaScript is hard as fuck. You know some Python 2? Bro, why are you even looking at Python 2? Python 3 is where it's at. JavaScript is hard. JavaScript's easy. What you talking about? JavaScript is one of the most scuffed languages I've ever seen. You can do some funky shit in this thing. No, I meant 2. Oh. Okay, I get you. Yeah, this girl though, she like raises her hand. She's like, "Do I need to know C++?" And the guy's like, "Yeah, it was a prerequisite for this course." And then he like continues teaching, and then she raises her hand again. She's like, "Can I use ChatGPT to write all my C++?" And he was like, no, no, you can't do that." And then I was like, "Man, she cooked. She is legitimately cooked." Nah, I know, but they just threw us into it. Yeah, I know. Yeah, man, I remember when I was first learning about recursion too, the way he explained it was he was like, "So, here's what you do. You take your problem, you take a little chunk, right? So say you're adding like a bunch of numbers. You take the first number and you say, I'm going to add the first number to whatever my result was from the rest of the numbers. But I'm going to get my result from Tinkerbell." And everybody in the class is like muttering, like like this guy's just like start talking about Tinkerbell, like what a fucking idiot. Like I'm supposed to be here learning computer science. We're here talking about fucking pick Disney, I think. Yeah, Disney care. Yeah, Peter Pan and shit. You know what I'm trying to say. But man, and then he does this recursive function, and everybody like fucking boom, their brain explodes, and they're like, "How the fuck is this magic working?" I have a course on web API and API in general. APIs are annoying. It's just a lot of reading. It's just confusing. Yeah, it's basically like once you learn how to hit the API, it's just you're gonna get a bunch of data, and it's just you need to figure out what format that data is in. So a lot of the time it's just console logging things, and then sometimes they'll change the format of the data that the API like outputs, and then your program will break because you're reading like a public API. I really hope that doesn't happen to my gluten-free skin. I really hope that doesn't happen. The prof is annoying. Yeah, most profs are like kind of annoying. I'm trying to think of one that wasn't. Yeah, no, I'm drawing a blank. Drawing a blank. They were all annoying. I mean, some of them were like cool people, but like they were all kind of annoying in their own way. Like what? Like they'd be like teaching their course, and they'd be like, "I I'm just looking for any excuse to fail every single one of you. And it's like, bro, come on. And then other people would be like, yeah, my bitch of an ex-wife. And it's like, bro, I came here for class. Like, I don't want to hear about your bitch of an ex-wife. Like, come on. But then they'd be like into astronomy and shit. And be like, oh, you know, like I got this huge ass telescope. Like, and like, I'm a SoundCloud rapper, but my SoundCloud name is like something kind of sexual. All true, by the way. All true. Yeah, bro. Bro, computer science where I went was just cooked, dude. Just cooked. We'd have people sitting in the front of the class yelling, "This is too hard. How can I not cheat?" Like, it's designed to make me cheat. like, like, actually crazy. And it's like, people are like, you expect this to be somewhere that places are going to look at and say, I want to hire somebody from this school? Like, fuck no. Fuck no, that degree is not going to get me anywhere. You know what's going to get me places? Like, having some entrepreneurship, showing some initiative. Fucking putting myself out there and following my dreams, bro. That's what's going to get me places. Hopefully. But yeah. Right, I was coding. Oh, shit. Is this why this isn't working? What the fuck am I doing? Or can I just do like split? I'll just do split. Okay, so that gives me it in an array. Split. Oh. By nothing? Huh? A little bit of that je ne sais. Oh, oui. And then I just need to add everything after the first one back together, right? I'm gonna play some League and Lurk. Hell yeah, bro. I mean, I'm so sorry for you, but have fun. Or try to have fun. Cheat viewers on you're getting banned, buddy. Don't be saying cheat viewers in my chat on though. Why ban people? Deficient misbivt 6GOFJTT. Bang. I love wielding the power. I wanna be somebody. I wanna fucking finish this problem. Okay, so I can split it by that, I can split it by that. Can I split by... Let me see what options I have for JavaScript split. JS split. String split. Let me go to the MDN web docs. Separator limit. If limit is 0, separator is a string, an array of strings is returned split at each point where the separator occurs. If separators are regex as a custom symbol that split method returns value directly returned. Is there like a space or something, or they're just like right next to each other? I'm scrolling. I said I'm scrolling. Okay. Holy shit. Oh, it completely filled my console. Shit. And if we don't pass it anything, it doesn't split it, right? Yeah, just so there. Let's try split by L. And then maybe I can split it by R after. Or then for... No. That doesn't work either. The string is like an array, right? So can I do like move if move 0? Can I do like a can you do like, how the fuck do I Google this? Move. I want to like do like a string, like a list. I don't want a library. Push, splice, join. Is it like that? I need the tail of the list, right? Move dot slice. There we go. That's how I get the tail. I remember, what was that programming language with like head and tail, and it was like fucked. What was that programming language? Programming language. Language. It was like it's like some kind of like logic programming. I can't remember the language. It was an old one though. Wait, when the... I ran out of Christmas music? Lo-fi Christmas music. Let's see what else we got. Make it real quiet. Lo-fi Christmas, no copyright. Here we go. Return. We're almost there, folks. Oh, I didn't save it. Is it like this? No, how do I get not the promise? Alright, I gotta save it. Maybe that was why. Yo! Look at the number we got, guys. We got 1,165. Let's see if that's it. Boom! Let's go! Man, that was too fucking easy compared to some of these leak code problems I was doing, man. Some of the leak code problems I was doing, dude, it was like I didn't even know how to fucking start, dude. This one was like, I was just in that mindset, like, oh, this is a complicated problem, like, we gotta use some kind of data structure, like, we gotta fucking, like, we gotta get in the fucking, gotta fucking put on our Minecraft mining gear, get those fucking mines, bro. Fuck. Only my camera's on, I'm standing up right now, I'm hype as fuck. Oh, there's a part 2. Shit. Well, it looks like I beat chat on part 1. Fuck you, chat, you bunch of no knowing how to code sons of bitches. Except for Captain Magellan. Captain Horatio Magellan Crunch, he actually kind of came in clutch for this one. Not gonna lie. All the rest of you guys are posers. Get wrecked. Well, that's the first one done. I guess I move on to part 2 now. How long have I been streaming? It only took me an hour. It only took me a whole hour to remember how to fucking read a file, get the tail of the... Man, this is a... Do you want me to blow this up a little bit so y'all can see my answer? Y'all interested in that? Somebody give me some inclination that you guys want to see this, or I'll just fucking move on to the next one and all. Do I have a clear command? I think I have a... Is it not in there? Did I forget to implement that? I did. I'll have to do that, because if somebody like types the N-word in it or something, I'm gonna need to clear it real quick. Yeah. Yerp. Okay, I guess I'll look at what the next problem is. Ah, okay, so the dial points, it's anytime it clicks by 0, not lands on 0. So let's see here. So I need to come up with some way to tell if we pass 0. Oh, I didn't mean to minimize that. Lo-fi beats. We chillin'. #1 vibe coder on Twitch. Fuck. Let me drink some water and think about this. Here, let's try this. Let's parse. Let's. I don't fucking know. Number. So if the number that I have, if the absolute value of that number is bigger, yeah. If ABS, how do I do absolute value in math? ABS number greater than current. We just add again. Password plus equals 1. Boom. Right? No. $5,271. Nope. Too low. That's too low. That's definitely too low. So if the number that we have is bigger in magnitude than our current number, it means we're going to pass 0. So we have 50, we have negative 51, it's going to go past 0. If we have 50, 51, it's going to go past 0. This is closer, but we're missing something. So when the number is bigger than the other number, in magnitude, it means we pass 0, right? And if we land on 0, it means we go past 0. But there must be another case where number is less than the other number. I'm like almost on the right track, I think. The best way to do this is probably yeah, I think this is okay. Because if the magnitude of this number is bigger than the magnitude of this number, then we're going to pass 0. But we also pass 0 in the case where it's like we have 99 as the current plus 3 as the number. That'll pass 0. Maybe like that. Okay, so that's not it. We're still too low. Maybe like this. Let me get rid of comment out this one. How do I tell if we go past 0? What am I trying to do? I am trying to do part 2 of Advent of Code. Do you know about Advent of Code? Do you know about Advent of Code? I mean, sorry. Yeah, I'm doing Advent of Code. The problem is, what's the best way to... Nobody's really interacting with the... So I'm gonna shrink it a little bit so we can see the problem a bit better. Maybe, if we're getting some steam... Here's the problem. Basically, I have this dial that rotates. I need to count how many times it goes past 0. That's basically it. So I pass 0 if it's... Yeah. And then I pass 0 if it's... Is this not right? Huh? Huh? When are we gonna import anti-gravity? Don't even try me. I should make that a thing that you can like activate anti-gravity and my little guy will just bounce around. That'd be fucking sick. This should be it. Right? It's too low. I see, because if I do... Yeah, because I could like have like 8,000 and wrap around like 20 times. Or like a lot of times. If I do like L like 1,000. I don't know how many times that wraps around. Your code is too small, I can't read. I'll blow it up. I'll blow it up. Do you know the problem? I'll hide the leak code. I'll hide everything for now. Just have my code up here. That's basically it. Parse move just like returns a number. Oh, nice. You did it? Well, you beat me. Did you finish part 2? Does this have part 2 in it? If it has part 2, I'm not going to look at it. No, no part 2. Okay. Something like this. Right? Because if the number is like 100, it's going to go past 0. Easy. Oh, shit. Fuck's going on in my terminal, bro? I don't think that's gonna do anything, right? Whoa! Yeah, bro, ask me so I can ask ChatGPT. There's my code. I don't know. I don't want help with my code, though. I don't want help with my code. If you wanna try to do the problem, you can. Oh shit. Ask me to. JavaScript is crazy. You guys can do Python though. Man, I really thought chat plays fucking coding was gonna be like, man, it's gonna be fucking great, dude. Nobody wants to chat code. You finished? Give me a hint on this shit. I didn't forget it started today. I was hype. I was like, you know what? I'm gonna stream all Advent of Code. And then I heard that it was only 12 days, and I was like, no! That's so sad. But, like, whatever. I'll just switch to LeetCode again after I finish Advent of Code. The point is, like, it's supposed to be hard. Cause like I want people to like fuck with it too. Like I'm picturing like I didn't really think about how it would work with like 10 people. The fuck? How long is your code, dude? You gotta use some like advanced memory shit to like code like ChatGPT Codex would probably be able to read all your code. Or like I haven't really experimented with any other models, so I'm not gonna lie to you. I was just like, man, I can just for part 1 it was like 7 lines. 7 lines? You see, I feel like I could have done it in like less lines. But Captain Horatio Magellan Crunch was like, you gotta read the file line by line, bro. Like I guess I can like figure out how to do a buffer. And part 2 was 19. Okay. Yeah, I'm not like I don't know. Man, I miss doing one-liners too. In JavaScript, that shit's fun. Doing one-liners? Hell yeah, dude. That's what I'm gonna do after I finish it. I'm gonna turn it into a one-liner. I missed that from my BrainStation web development diploma. W16? That's crazy. I'm gonna make a one-liner for this bullshit. I gotta figure out how the fuck to do it though. Maybe something like this. Because if it's a big number. Is it like double slash for like integer division or something? How do I do like integer division? Is that a thing? I'm getting a decimal number. You got this. I got this, chat. I got this. It can be done. A 1,000 lines? You should never get an integer. Or you should only get integers. Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, bro. Am I cooked, chat? Astro's cooked. Yeah, Astro's fucking cooked, dude. That's one thing about AI that you need to avoid is monolithic files. It's really, really easy to get monolithic files with ChatGPT and like other generative AI for some reason. No way to get decimals if you're only adding integers. Well, I'm not adding, I'm dividing. Should I not be dividing? I'm using mod all over the place. Number mod 100. Fuck it. I'm so oh wait, here. Let's just change all my divisions to modular division and see. And I'm still getting a fucking bro, what? Huh? Okay, now this doesn't make sense. Oh wait, I didn't save it. Just throw mods in there and see if this is the answer. 118096. I think this one's too high though. More mods works. We're just okay, we're gonna add more. Where can I add more? Man, Astro's so cooked. I mean, I'm cooked. I mean, what? Wait, you're gonna send me crypto mining Trojan worm or something? Mod twice for both solutions. Oh, I minimized the question. Oopsie daisy. Man. I'm a little lost. I'm a little lost! Ugh. The only difference for part 2 is that you track the position outside the loop instead of inside. We gotta go back. We gotta go back. This is how I got the first answer, I think. At least that's how I solved it. Not sure how else to give you a hint without just telling you the solution. I mean, you can just tell me. We don't need to let anyone else know. It's just me and you here. It's just me and you here. You can tell me the answer. I'm pretty close to calling it. I'm not gonna lie. Okay. No. I've only spent like 10 minutes trying to figure this out. Okay. I could spend a little bit more time. My ChatGPT fucking addicted ass is like, oh, but I could just ChatGPT the answer, and I'd understand, and I'd learn, and make me a better programmer. No. We mustn't turn to the dark side. Wait. I'm already on the dark side. I'm the #1 vibe coder on Twitch. Okay. This is the real question. You know what? I'm gonna stream until my wife gets home. Once my wife gets home from decorating her parents' Christmas tree, I might end stream. But we're gonna pick it up again tomorrow. With question 2. Good idea. Yes. Man, I need some nicotine. I need some nicotine bad, dude. 20 years later, I'm still alive. On your deathbed, still alive. In heaven, still alive. Okay, so I can tell when we land on 0 because we take the current number plus or minus the number. My wife left 2.5 years ago, ... I would still be streaming. That makes me feel so sad. Is that real? That makes me feel so sad. Is that real? I hope it's not real. Relationships ending is just such like a sad thing. I could never imagine. I've only ever been in one relationship and I'm married now. So like I couldn't imagine. Fuck, dude. Could not imagine. No, sorry. Oh, okay. Well, that's nice. At least it was like amicable. Like it's hard to see things where it's like it's like an ugly separation, and it's like bad for like the kids and stuff. Like, damn. I mean, I don't have kids yet, but yeah, that would definitely be like the main focus, is make sure the little ones are okay. That's good. That's good. I mean, I could definitely see that happening with me and my wife, because I'm kind of a bum and she's not. I have kids, they're just not mine. How do I delete a chat? No. 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 Now you're pinned, Astro. You gotta be careful around here. Can you delete chats? I don't think you can. I think I have to delete it. The pin of shame. The pin of shame. Please. Please, my mom's kind of homeless. I think the way I do this... So I need to keep track of how many times I pass 0. Right? That's the password. Man, I'm bobbing my head to this lo-fi right now. Not gonna lie, I'm kind of getting tired of this. Kind of getting tired of Advent Dakota. I really want to get this though. I need this. Hashtag need that. Hashtag need that. Hashtag I need that. I have the answer in front of me, but I don't understand it. I'm telling you that right now. Like, I'm not doing that. That's not how I'm gonna solve this. Like this answer? No. ChatGPT, you're tripping, bro. ChatGPT gave me a shitty answer. I don't like that answer. I'm not doing it. How shall I get the answer then? I need this. Here, I'll free you of the pin of shame. That was funny though. I like that. I'm gonna do like a series for the next 12 days where I post like a clip and I'll be like, here's how chat did today. Chat got fucking 5 characters. Alright, tune in tomorrow to see how chat does on day 2. Like, legit. Hopefully I have said all the right things that I can clip it all together into something that is like a nice little video. The experiment. Monkeys at a typewriter. Can the monkeys code? You guys are the monkeys. I don't participate in the monkeys at a typewriter. I guess I could. I need this. Please come. Please come to this one. I need this. My go live notification I thought was really funny. I'm almost done with my script to convert Python to chat code commands. Bro, yeah. What? What? Bro, I didn't think somebody would just write a script to convert to you still have to like enter them one by one though, don't you? Hey, good luck. I can't believe somebody's trying to break the system day one. Day one, somebody's trying to fucking break this shit, dude. Not even like day 1, hour 2. Somebody's trying to break this shit. Selenium web browser. Pulls tags for. What is this? Oh, really? Oh, shit, dude. I can type straight into chat. I can also do that, but I feel like I'm misunderstanding. Okay, let me look this up. Selena Gomez. Selenium browser. Is it a browser? Selenium is for web scripting. Selenium web browser. Oh, shit, yeah. Okay, cool. I'll check that out more later. Manipulates and creates automation from websites, not a browser. A package used. Yeah, it's a package for automating browser stuff, right? Yeah. I told it, hey, just give me the code I need to add, not the whole thing, and it's writing the whole thing again. Okay, Astro. Yeah, oh, it's 100%. It's gonna like run out of memory, and then it's gonna stop again. But it might also need all of the context. So you're like, you need to find a different way to like give it all of the information. Like maybe you can explain what the rest of the code does, like logically, and then say like, what's this part do? Like, or give me the code for a part that does this that I can plug in here, kind of thing. Then again, I only ever use ChatGPT, so I don't know about these other. Everyone's always like, "Oh, you should try this one. You should try that one," and I'm like, "Yeah, but like I'm really, really good at like I know how ChatGPT works. Like I can gaslight the shit out of ChatGPT to make it do whatever the fuck I want." Sometimes it tells me no, and I'm like, "Ha, no, you," and then I make it do it. Let's see if it'll give me the rest. Oh wait, I don't want to get reported though. Like I don't want to like ask for the recipe for napalm or something and get reported. No! No! Don't leak the Discord messages! Jesse! Jesse, don't leak the Discord messages! I don't think you guys can see it. I've been flagged a few times. For sure. I don't doubt it, Astro. Astro, I have you flagged anyway. For just, like, I just have a red flag next to your name in my notes here. Actually, there's 2 of them. So. Okay, let me think about this. So we have, if 0 to 99 is 100 numbers, right? So if our number is bigger than 100, we're going to pass 0. For each time it's bigger than 100. Okay, so number, if number is bigger than 100, if the number is bigger than 100, then password plus equals number divided by 100. Round it up. No. How do I keep this an integer? Well, I know for a fact that's not right. Okay. And then we also I need to get hyped up here. Give me 1 second, guys. Give me 1 second. I gotta get hyped up here. Oh fuck yeah. Mute that VOD, baby. We praying to God on this question. I can't not sing this song. Okay, this is getting me hyped up. This give me the energy. So I think this is right. Hey, let me just mute my mic and just fucking scream this song for a second. Fuck.
And it shows just how much he is miraculous. I can't keep it to myself. I can't sit here and be still. Everybody I will tell till the whole world is healed. King of kings, Lord of lords, all the things he has.
That was too much. Yeah, let's not do that. We're cooked, chat. We're cooked. We're cooked, chat. Let me ask my buddy how late he's gonna be playing Valorant till. Play now with a friend if you want to join. I should be ready in like 30. Yeah, I'll probably hop off in like 30. Probably hop off in like 30. Ha ha ha! That's not how I made it. It parses them one line at a time. Ha ha! Ha ha! Ha ha! You almost had it. You almost had it. Oh, you're just testing it? Oh, I see. 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 Actually, I might hop off. I might, cause I have to like, I think part of, what am I trying to say here? I really think that this Twitch Plays Leak Code or Twitch Plays Advent of Code thing will be really fun, but I just need to like get people to like find out about it, you know? So I need to work on a clip for tonight, and I also want to like chill and play some games because I worked on a website all day. Also, let me show you guys the website. Maybe I won't actually. Maybe I'll keep that a secret for now. Yeah. I'm gonna see if I can make like a nice little clip. See if I said the right shit to make a clip to Oh, you have to use Twitch.io, way more involved? Hell yeah, dude. Yeah, Twitch.io, that's what I use for my bot that it runs on. Way more involved. How do I say your name? Alson? Alson. Ladies and gentlemen, my app no longer opens. Ladies and gentlemen. Wait. Ladies and gentlemen, my app no longer opens. Thank you, courtesy of Claude. Yeah, I gotta figure out where the fuck to clip though. So far, today's been a W, man. Today's been one hell of a W. I streamed. I did some cleaning, dude. I went and got wood pellets to keep my house warm. I worked on the website for my first client. Tab command. That's a good idea. I will add a tab command. I'm gonna write that on my bot improvements list right here. Bot improvements. Yeah, it's hard to do the I put like some macros in, but I realized that the macros aren't agnostic. 16 lines of code is 406 commands. Exactly. Exactly. But imagine. We have people who are actually trying to do it, like you. They figure out what commands they need to run to like get the code in there. And then we just have other people like fucking with it. And we have other people that don't even know what they're doing, but they're trying to help. People are collaborating in chat. People are arguing back and forth. I think it's going to be a blast. Add a tab command. Add tab command. Yes. Feels bad. Do you have version control at least, Astra, or did you just fucking like just undo a bunch of times? Or I guess you probably would have just undid your one copy paste, but you know what I'm trying to say. Was it hard to go back? No. Yes. Maybe. No. Yes. Maybe. But yeah, W string today. I think I like actually solved the first part, which is pretty impressive. If I don't say Control Z for the win. Control Z for the win. Damn, son, where'd you find that? Fuck, that hurts. Yes. Hopefully I said the correct words so that I can get a good clip. If you guys aren't on my YouTube, I don't fucking know. Do I have a command for that? No, I don't. Just find it. Figure it out. Oh shit, I haven't been looking at YouTube this whole time. I hope there's nobody on there. I was just like, anybody on YouTube, like, they're not gonna be able to do the Twitch Plays LeetCode thing, so I was like, fuck it. Nope, a whole 0 the whole time. Hell yeah, let's fucking go. Okay, yes, clip time. Wait, should I make the clip on stream? That's a good idea. How do I rewatch the stream though? How do I download the VOD while it's still going? I don't think I can do that. Oh shit. I had to revert. It feels bad. Control. Still working on creating my AI girlfriend. Claude won't stop me. I will prevail. On the 18th, your AI girlfriend can go X-rated. Oh shit, the AI girlfriend, bro. It's coming. You just wait and see. This is gonna be the best AI girlfriend ever. I wonder if my wife will let me have an AI girlfriend or if that'll be considered cheating. And that, my friends, is a good note to end it on. W stream. I'll let you guys sit with that. Is cheating on your significant other with an AI girlfriend actually cheating, or does it just make you a weird bum? Just make you a weird fucking bum. OpenAI has announced a major policy shift to allow adult content, including erotica, for verified adult users on ChatGPT, with the changes expected to roll out starting December 2025. This move is intended to treat adult users like adults while keeping strong protections in place for minors. Is that true? You're telling me I can AI generate porn on ChatGPT? I just gotta verify my age. Well, I know what I'm doing tonight. Catch you guys later.